Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to see my upcoming tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is the 9th episode about SharePoint Modern Site. In the previous episode, we worked on the footer. Today, we will add news and people web part on homepage. Before adding any web part, let's learn about section. So edit the space, click on plus icon and you will see lots of different sections over here like 1 column, 2 columns and 3 columns. Let's use 2 columns for now. It means we can add 2 different web part over here. To add web part, click on plus icon and add the web part you like to add. It is also possible to edit this section. You can click on Edit Section and you can simply choose another layout if you want. Let's say 3 column or 1 column. You can also apply background to this section. If you want to move the section, you can click on Move Section and you can simply drag and drop. If you want to duplicate this section, you can click on Duplicate Section. Likewise, if you want to remove this section, you can click on Delete Section. For now, let's delete all of the section. Now, let's learn about templates. So click on plus icon, click on templates. You will see different templates over here. Let's use 3 column image and text template. It means we will have 3 column layout where we can add 3 different image and text web part. Let's add another template, 1 column image and text. It means we will have 1 column layout where we can add 1 image and text web part. Feel free to use any template you want, but for now, let's remove all of them. Now, let's add the section which is required for our project. On the left hand side, let's add news web part. So click on plus, click on news. Currently, news is showing from all the sites, but we want to show news only from the news site. So choose select sites and choose news. If you scroll down, let's choose top story layout. Again, if you scroll down, let's show number of views. Then you can either show or hide the author. For now, let's leave as it is. Then let's hide this published date. Once happy with the news web part, you can click on Republish. On the right hand side, let's use people web part. So edit the page, click on plus icon and search for people. Add a web part, then add the title key people. Then you can start searching for the people. Once done, you can click on Republish. And our people web part is ready as well. Great! This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will add various other web parts in the home page. Feel free to comment below if you have any question. Also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. If you want some hosting companies, you can check the link below. Thank you and see you soon.